Jupiter.gov is a very exciting proposition that we have come up with, that we're launching, and we're going to go out into the marketplace to promote and convince the marketplace that it's definitely the right way to go for a very particular type of client. And this client is in that category of government stroke state-owned enterprises. Here's what we've learned about government and state enterprises. The chief executive officer in a private entity is driven by singularly one big motive, and that's called profit. Here's the difference between that chief executive officer in a private company as compared to a chief executive officer in a state-owned enterprise. State-owned enterprises exist for one reason and one reason only, and that is public good. Do they have to run professional organizations? Yes. Do they have to run businesses that deliver a return? Absolutely. But the one key goal and the one key motivator for a chief executive in a state-owned enterprise, it is that of delivering public service. Delivering a service that drives public good that's linked to national goals. And really that's what makes these types of organizations different to, say, a Coca-Cola, say an MTN, say a Disney, you name them. So our view as the Jupiter Drawing Room is that we've heard enough from these types of clients by way of them often having said that the advertising industry sector doesn't understand them, the advertising sector doesn't respond the right way in helping them achieve their goals. So what we've done is we've set up a specialized team that absolutely maintains the highest levels of professionalism, that is sourced from the core team that is the Jupiter Drawing Room. The difference is that they will specialize in understanding what national goals mean to the economy. They'll understand what state-owned enterprises do. They'll understand what their goals are in terms of helping the nation achieve its goals. If you understand that, the way you craft strategy, the way you source insight, customer insight, the way you conceptualize campaigns, the way you implement campaigns will be slightly different to what we do for a private entity. My take is that it's actually a huge opportunity. If you consider that state-owned enterprises, local, provincial, national government entities are prepared to commit for the long term, are prepared to commit 3 to 5 year contract terms. That is a huge business opportunity. So we're very interested in that, and we want to follow through on that particular aspect. By the way, the Jupiter Drawing Room has got some experience in this area. In fact, fantastic experience in this area. One of the last campaigns, in fact, one of them is live as we speak, is a campaign we're running with the South African Reserve Bank around Know Your Banknote, which is a security campaign, which is a public education campaign. That particular campaign is running now. It was preceded by the launch of the Mandela Notes, which again was a civic education campaign launching the new banking notes. Prior to this, we've worked with the likes of COP17. We've worked with the likes of Sasol Inzalo at the time of corporatizing the Sasol, what used to be a state-owned enterprise, and it became a private company. So we have the experience, we have the people here, we have the knowledge here, we have the systems here, and we believe we're ready today to service this sector.